This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the files you want to protect and opening 7-zip File Manager. Once done, navigate to that folder so you don't waste time. Select the items and click Add. This opens the Archive dialog. Make sure to pick an archive format. 7Z gives better compression, zip is more compatible. Enter a clear archive name. Don't set password yet. First confirm compression method and split size if you need parts. These initial steps set up encryption correctly and avoid redoing work later. Now focus on the encryption settings in the Add dialog. You enter a strong password, use a long phrase with mixed characters, and choose AES 256 from the encryption dropdown because it's secure. Make sure to check encrypt file names so content and file names remain hidden. Adjust compression level and solid block size to balance speed versus size. Larger solid blocks improve compression but slow updates. Once the options reflect your needs, click OK to create the encrypted archive and test opening it immediately. Finish by verifying the archive works. Double-click or right-click and choose Open, then enter the password you set. You'll see the file list only if encrypt file names wasn't used. If used, successful extraction confirms decryption. Make sure to store the password in a password manager or secure offline note. Losing it means no recovery. If you can't extract, recheck you picked AES 256 and the correct format, and run 7-zips test command to detect corruption. This is the fastest troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.